I'm Isaac Kimple. I'm the project manager. Today we're doing a reinstallation of a fiberglass pool shell. The customer had another company come in and they improperly installed the pool for him. Improper preparation of the soil, lack of gravel base, the pool was out of level. So what we did today is we came in and we lifted the pool. Right now we've got the guys getting the gravel base compacted and leveled so that we can get this thing dropped in. We need to make sure that the soil is plenty compacted, so we'll give it a couple weeks to settle in. Then we're going to come in and pour new concrete cantilevered decking around the pool. It's the experience we bring to the table and the final product that we deliver to our customers.